Hello. We all have been here. We have a question or a secret about our campus life, but we cannot exactly post in the official group. That's why I've made Whisper. It is a real time, totally anonymous confession wall built just for us, the college students of NIT Rourkela. There are no accounts, no logins, no authentication, no names. You just say what's on your mind and you move on. And just like that, it is live for the whole campus to see at once. We can upvote for the posts we like or downvote for the posts we don't like. This is where the things get interesting at all. You can see all the trending posts by clicking on the trending filter. And Whisper is not static, it's 100% live. You can daily upvote for new posts, reply to the posts you like, and engage in a conversation. So, going through the tech stack, uh, we have made it as a monolith Go application. This means a single Go program acts as both the backend API and the web server for the front end. For backend, we have used Go, Gin for router, GORM for database, and Gorilla WebSocket for real-time postings. And database, we are using SQLite, using only a pure Go driver, which makes the app super light. So therefore, no CGO is needed. For frontend, a single index.html file is there which handles a basic front end. We have used alpine.js for logic and tailwind CSS for styling. Both are loaded from a CADN. The main feature, the main focus of us while building this was scalability and low input delay, low bandwidth. That's why we have made the app super light, reducing everything we could do and making the front end very basic but the backend super good. So here's the file by file breakdown. The engine is our main.go file. It is the entry point for the entire application. We use it to run this. When we run the whole application, this is the file which runs at first. Its job is to load secrets from the .environment file, .env file, using the go, do, tenv library, and connecting to the SQLite database by calling db.init. Now it also does run GORM auto migration. This is what automatically creates the posts, boards, and comment tables in our Whispers database file. This is the Whispers database file. Then we have, it also starts the WebSocket, calls routes, and starts the main Gin web server. Now we have, for the database, we have db.go. It has only one job, connecting to the database. It reads the database URL from the .env file. For the data schema, we have models.go. It defines the schema of our database tables using Go structs. Post structs manage the post table, post content, and vote manages the upvotes and downvotes. Comment manages the replies. The brain of our entire app is handlers.go. It is the main logic for our entire app. It defines all the functions that run when you hit an API endpoint. A small struct we use to pass to database, and WebSocket hub to all our handler functions. It does the following API calls, like get posts for getting trending posts, comment, create post for creating comments, and also validates the user's JSON input, which is the maximum reply that they can do is 1000 characters, and also it saves the new posts and comments to the database. It also for our app, the security guard is middleware.go. It runs before the main handler logic. It checks for the admin token in the request header so that only admin can manage the whole app. It compares the secret from our .env file to it is the file called it sets the content security policy CSP. And we have, for this app, we have configured it to allow all the scripts and font from our CDNs like cdn.tailwindcss.com and Google APIs.com to allow unsafe evaluation, which unfortunately alpine.js requires. for our web app, our traffic police, that you can say traffic cop, is routes.go. It defines every API endpoint, like get, post, all the API endpoints. Uh, it tells Jin if any request comes in does not match an API route, just send them to the index.html this file. And it is also the real-time engine. It is the heart of our app. It also runs on the background. It keeps a client map and has a register and unregistered channel for each new user connecting and disconnecting. The face of our app is index.html. We have made it very, very minimal. uh, the header section loads the uh, tailwind, alpine, and hero icons, and the inner font from CDNs. Body sections all contains all the HTML for UI. uh, It has functions, JavaScript functions like init to initialize, fetch posts to make an API call to the Go backend for the initial data, submit post, open comments, and etc. All the JavaScript functions for doing the respective tasks. Uh, to for this web app to work, all we need to do is first set CGO enabled to 0. Then we should run the main file, go run.cmd server. So the backend is now listing on 8080. Let's go here to localhost 8080. So this is the one. We have not posted anything, so let's go to training section. These are the previous things that we posted 2 hours ago. Hey, from editor, this is a confession wall, fully anonymous, made with Golang and SQLite. We can reply to, see the replies. Cheers for the web app, cool job. We can also post any reply we like. Here are, okay, we can upvote, and as we upvote, see, we first were on the latest page, then we clicked on the training page, get API called the training page, and it opened. Then we went for the comments, see, then we upvoted the 7th comment. We opened the replies of 6th comment. This is how API calling on the backend works. Like okay, forever, suppose here the last one is vote. If we again open the replies of what are your thoughts on recent innovation fest, wow, super cool, or the DJ was cool, yeah, you can talk, see, this was the last. Now we called get we called 2 APIs, 2 comments. This is how the backend is working, and anonymity has been maintained very properly. So this is our entire app. We have made the front end very minimal, but the backend is super cool, super lightweight, super working. Thank you.